Hello everyone. Today we're going to do a brief overview of the new homepage for the medical library at the CUNY School of Medicine. On the left side of the page, you can search through the library's ADC Resource Catalog by title or subject. Underneath that, you'll find resource collections separated by type. On top, you'll find a general collection of the databases that the school subscribes to, as well as a variety of multidisciplinary resources like medical calculators, drug information sources, and more. In our e-journal section, you'll find a wide variety of medical publications and scholarly articles the school subscribes to. Beneath that, you'll find ebook collections. Here, you can browse the full text and electronic holdings through CCNY libraries and search for books by title, author, subject, and more. Finally, on the bottom tab, you'll be able to download companion app versions of medical databases for iOS and Android. On the right side of the page, you'll find a selection of resources that are separated by academic level. You can manually scroll through each level using the arrows on each side of the button. Here you can find a variety of resources for students of all levels of study from undergraduate through PA, including exam review, case files, full electronic textbooks, and more. Please be advised, however, that these collections are meant to be a supplement to your studies and not a replacement for your course syllabus. No matter where you are on the library website, you can access any of these pages from the drop-down menu on top here. You'll also be able to get information on more library services, contact a librarian, or report problems with the website from up here as well. And that concludes our overview of the new medical library homepage. Thanks for watching, everyone.